अब हम बीट स्टोन ब्रिज की थ्योरी को डिफाइन करेंगे। तो हमारे पास 4 रेजिस्टेंस हैं, R1, R2, R3 एंड R4। दिस इज द कनेक्टेड बाय द सर्किट डायग्राम। In A to B is the flow of the current I1 and resistance R1, and A to D is the current I3 and resistance R3. What is the point B is a junction, so be the flow of the current division by I2 and IG, and junction D is the division by the current IG into and I4, and resistance R2 and R4, the point B the flow of the current. So according to Kirchhoff law, Kirchhoff defined is the point A is the division of the current I1 R1. This is the movement of this first in process by AB DA, and second is the BC DB. This is the movement by any direction, so we are not affected by the clockwise maybe and anti-clockwise. So in case of the flow of the electric current, the path of A, B, D, A, B, D, A is the directions of the current of the flow. In junction B, this is the current of flow, is the point A, is the flow of the current, is the value of I1 R1, and this is the point B, is the flow of IG into G, and point D, this is the motion of flow of the condition in upward direction. In upward direction, this is the movement of the current I3, R3, this is the point A. We can the loop of the flow of the current in VA minus K I1 R1 minus IG into G or plus I3 R3 is equal to VA. Is the value of eliminate minus I1 R1 IG into G or plus I3 into R3 is equal to 0. This is the equation is first. This is the loop of B, C, D, B. This is the point of the movement of the current in flow B, I2, R2, and point C, this is the opposite due to direction of I4, R4, and point in the flow of the opposite direction in IG into G, this is the point B. We can define this is the value of VB minus K I2 R2 plus I4 R4 and plus IG G is equal to VB. This is the value of cancel minus K I2 R2 plus I4 R4 IG into G is equal to 0. This is the equation number second. In the two value of I1 and I3, and this is the junctions rule in Kirchhoff first law. First law defined, this is the input current is equal to output current. I1 is equal to I2 plus IG, and this is the junction D. This is the input current I3 is equal to I3 plus IG is equal to I4, is equal to I4. This is the junction of I3. So we can define this is the property of I3. So I1 is equal to I2 plus IG. This is the junction is the rule of the flow of the current I1 is equal to I2 plus IG, and this is the junction is, so we can define of the current I2. I2 is equal to I1 minus K IG, right? This is the current is I4 flow of this I3 plus IG. So this is the junction of the rule in I3, I2. So I1 R1 minus IG plus I3 R3. But in the case of second, value of change minus I2 is equal to I1 minus K IG into R2 I4. This is the value of I3 plus IG R4 plus IG into G is equal to 0. Both are multiply in the equation I1 R2 plus IG R2 plus I3 R4 IG R4 plus IG into G is equal to 0. This is the equation of third. This is the equation of third. I1 R2 plus IG R2 plus I3 R4 plus IG R4 plus IG into G. This is the galvanometer balancing of the equation of the IG is equal to 0. This is the factor of IG is equal to 0 balancing. So be the equation of I1 R1 plus I3 R3 is equal to 0. So I1 upon I3 is equal to R3 upon R1. And second, this is the value of IG is equal to 0. So I1 R2 plus 0 or I3 R4. This is the total factor is 0. So I1 upon